Welcome back to my channel. It is I, Erin, or should I say Norvina. And if you can't guess, we're going to be using the Norvina palette today for the first time. So if you want to see my first impressions and see how the product works on the eyes, then just keep on watching. But if you're watching this video and you enjoy it, hit that thumbs up button. I love that. Subscribe to my channel. Join the darling army. It's a fantastic place. All right, let's go. I saw my live stream last night. You know that my Norvina palette came in freaking broken. Which made me really mad, so I went and exchanged it. And so this one looks a lot better. I mean, I picked one up off the floor that was perfect, and they didn't want to sell it to me because it had one of those little sensor things on it. And she was like, I really don't want to take it off. And I was like, okay, that's fine. I'll take one from behind the counter. But like the first one she showed me was broken. I'm like picking at my eyes, gross. And then the second one she showed me was this one, and it still doesn't look quite as perfect as the one I picked up off the floor. Conspiracy theory! Okay, so let's go ahead and do this because we got places to go. We're not gonna do anything crazy, I think. Okay, I'm gonna go in with base. It's a little shimmery, but I'm just gonna use it to blend out the top, so I think that's fine. It's like a little super nude shade. Super nude. Super nude. We're gonna go into volatile. This is a really pretty shade. Just deepen up that outer corner. I don't know, should I do a cut crease today, guys? I'm not really in the mood. I'm gonna do like a super intricate look with this palette too. This weekend I have 2 days off, like I said. So I'm definitely gonna record and edit a bunch of videos so that we can have our pre-scheduled videos every Tuesday, Thursday, like I promise. And let's blend that out with a little more incense. I'm sorry, I've been missing my uploads of edited videos. Life has just been rough. I like this color Soul. That seems to be what people are interested in. So I'm gonna use a little flat concealer brush and we're gonna pop Soul onto the lid. This is it looks like a satin. A little bit of shimmer. Oh, wow. And she's got pigment henny. I feel like this is what I was trying to do the other day with my sleek palette. And it was just not, it was not giving me what I wanted. But this is giving me everything I want. That's fine. Okay, so we need to just really like get that outer corner darkened up a bit. For that, I need like a little pencil brush. We're gonna use a Morphe E36 brush, and we're gonna pop into, I guess, a little more volatile, this brown shade, just to like darken it up on the outer corner. Right here. I don't know if that's dark enough. Almost want a black shade. Let's pop into, I'm gonna try this shade Drama here. Can you even see what I'm pointing at? It's really pretty. Oh, okay. These are definitely performing better with a finger action happening, I think. Just as a heads up. I'll just blend those out. I just love to keep these Bliss makeup wipes on my desk because, you know, I like to use my hand as a palette, and I like to use them to wipe off my fallout. I think I'm also going to use it to clean up my under eye. Like that. Does that look? Right here it has some discoloration, so I'm definitely going to need to use like concealer. We're going to go in with Soul on this little pencil brush and just run that right under the lash line all the way across to the tear duct. Try not to poke yourself in the eye like I just did. It's not a good idea. It does not feel good. And then just make sure you connect it up into the dark purples on the edges. Sometimes I kind of like reinstate the wing shape, like that little triangle moment. So I just threw a little of this shade Seashell from the highlight palette from Lime Crime into my tear duct. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of liner and some mascara, and I'll be right back. And BAM! I got glasses. No, that's not what I'm doing. BAM! I got eyeballs. Let's take a little close-up look of the finished eye look. Well, I guess I need to do a... Actually, do I want to do a brow bone highlight? That shimmery shade is actually pretty shimmery, so... maybe just a tidge. Just a tidge, as they say. Who says that here? Nobody says that. Whoa! This is the Make Me Brow from Essence. I guess I could stay on. I could have done it. I could almost do a full face of Anastasia. I don't have a brow. No, I don't have a mascara from them. Do they even make a mascara? I'm sure they do, but I've never heard anyone talk about it. So how good is it really if no one talks about it? Questions with no answers. Conspiracy theory. Oh, morphine. Highlighter brush. Y'all know I just bathe in this, so just bathe in it. I feel like it's, if you just like rub it a little bit with your fingers, it just blends in like butter. Like butter, darling. Like butter. Into bread. Boop. I'm a little sweaty, but whatever, it's fine. I guess I should have sprayed my face before I did my mascara. Too late now, we're doing it. So we're gonna use Seashell. Is that Seashell? Seashell Brow from Lime Crime, which is a purple metallic liquid lipstick. And we're gonna top it with the Lip Topper Unicorn Queen, which is also purple. Yeah. All right, so let's do one more close-up of the eye action. Yeah, so that's everything there. So far from the first use of this palette, I wouldn't say there's anything terrible about it at all. I liked the shades that I used. The kickback is not extreme, but it is definitely there and more than some other palettes that I've used. But the pigmentation is gorgeous, blendability looks really good, and I hope that y'all can tell that I did a pretty fun little look out of this, just using a few colors, nothing too crazy. No worries, a crazy look will be coming. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, join the darling army. It's a fantastic place. You can also follow me on all my social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. That's all at I'm a Pluralist. And if you'd like to support me on my creative journey, you can become a patron on Patreon. The links are down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!